Welcome to the room of doom! But it soon will be my guest bedroom. At the moment it's full of junk and some beautiful 70s net curtains that are definitely coming down. As you can see, there's no flooring in this room, but there were some carpet grips, so I took those up first and then put a laminate floor down. With all of this out of the way, let's start the redecorating. This floor wallpaper on the right is not my favorite, so let's cover it with a different floor wallpaper. I found this amazing vintage wallpaper at the local shop. Isn't it beautiful? Like it's nice brown embossed flowers. So let's stick that on. I'm loving this new to me wallpaper. Isn't it amazing? I think it really goes with the room, but do now have to tackle this wall of mirrors because I definitely don't want a dance studio. I also don't want to replace all these doors, so I thought an easier option would be using this sticky back wallpaper or some window film. There is so much on offer though, so I got quite a lot of samples of different patterns and then I just stared at them for a while. And while I'm trying to make a decision, let's tackle the bay window. I didn't want to wallpaper this, thought that might be a little bit too much, so I'm just painting it with a Rustoleum wall paint. Okay, back to this horrible netting. I can't stand net curtains, so this definitely has to go. I lived with it for almost 2 years and I was so happy seeing it go. I cleaned the bay window really well because it got a bit dusty over there. Because I still want a bit of privacy, I'm putting some window film up, and this is a reeded glass window film. It's very easy to apply. You just cut it to size, then you wet the window, stick the film on, and press out the water, and your film is attached. And like the wallpaper I just showed you, this is very easy to peel off once you don't want it anymore. People can't look in, it still gives a lot of light into the room and so much better than those net curtains. I'm loving this window film. Let's also change the curtain on here, and I found this really lovely vintage pair on eBay. Okay, back to the wall of mirrors. I went with the fun jungle print with the tigers. It's a really lovely illustration. And these are from a company called Curate Your World. I also went for a plain Hessian one. So what my idea is, I'm going to put 2 panels of the illustrated ones, 1 plain Hessian and then 2 more of these. And if it doesn't work, it's removable wallpaper, so I just peel it off and do something else. It says non-sticky residue. Let's try it out, shall we? These have been on here for 3 weeks now. Oh god, that's amazing. It definitely is no sticky residue. I am very impressed and very hopeful that this is gonna work. So you might think, ooh, we went for the pattern one. Yes, because I'm gonna go for a completely clashy pattern look here. There's pattern on the wall, there's pattern on the curtain, there's gonna be pattern on the cabinets, and I'm also planning a fun pattern on the sofa I'm gonna build there. Changed my mind. So I was going to do 2 printed, 1 plain, 2 printed. But now looking at it, I think it might be nice to do all the prints next to each other and then 1 plain on the end. Or maybe just all of it printed. Don't know if I've got enough though, because I've got 2 rolls. So I might have to have a seam. Oh, I don't know. I'm just going to keep going with the print and I will see if the last one is going to be plain or printed. like that, with all the same pattern. So now all you have to do, a bit of trim on the floor and build a bed. But you're gonna see that in the next video.